So here's a quick video just doing some examples of problems that involve using the product rule. So let's do this first problem together. We have 8x to the 9th power plus 10x. Now, if you don't see any exponent, just know that there is an invisible 1 here. And it might not always show 1, but the number 1 being up here is implied. So keep this in mind because it's really important for what we're about to do. Now remember, the first step, again, is making sure that both terms have the same variable, which in this case, both of these terms have x as a variable, so that's how we know we can multiply them together. I don't know why I did a plus sign just now. Ignore that. It should be a multiplication sign. So now that we know that both of these have the same variable, we'll multiply the coefficients. So 8 times 10 is 80. And next, we will add the exponents. So x, and it's going to be 9 plus 1, which equals x to the 10th. And now we just put it all together. So our final answer is 10x to the 10th power, just like that. Okay, let's do another example problem. So we are going to do this one right here. We have 2x to the 2nd power times 9y to the 5th. And can we multiply these together? No, right? Because it's two different variables. So we can't do anything with this. Let's do another one. Let's do 7b to the 7th power, c to the 5th power, times 3b to the 2nd power, c to the 3rd power. And do both of these have the same variables? They do. We have BC here, BC here. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply the coefficients. 7 times 3 is 21. And next we're going to add the exponents. So B7 plus 2 is B to the 9th. And next we have C5 plus 3, which is C to the 8th. And put it all together for our final answer, which is 21. And you can do it like this. You can do 21 times B9 times C. Technically, you can have your answer like this, but we're going to put it all together. 21 B9 C8. Think you're getting it so far? We're going to do one more while we're at it, just to make sure. Let's do this one. 2u to the, let's do no power on that, just 2u, v to the 6th, times 4, u to the 8th, times 5, u to the 5th. Now, what we want to do is we do want to combine like terms. So we want to do let's combine all the terms that include u together. So we're left with 2u times 4u times 5u. And remember, we're going to multiply the coefficients. So 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40. And then we're going to add all of the exponents up. Remember, this should be in 1 here. And oh, I forgot to put the 5. Now we can add it. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. And we have v to the 6. There's no other term that has v to the 6, so we can't do anything with that. And now we're just going to put everything together. We're going to put 40 u to the 14th v to the 6. And here are just some examples we did of problems that use this product rule.